Most people think starting an online business requires huge budgets, inventory, or complicated systems. That's not true anymore. Today, you can start an online business with just $500, and it can grow into a real income stream. In this video, I'll show you how to start online businesses with almost zero inventory, how to get your first clients, and how to scale using smart strategies and real numbers. By the end, you'll know which model suits you best, how much money you can realistically make, and how to grow steadily. Online businesses are powerful because they're flexible, low cost, and scalable. You don't need a store, warehouse, or large team at first. All you need is a skill, a clear offer, and a plan to reach your clients. Let's jump in. Freelancing services online. Freelancing is one of the easiest online businesses to start. Skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, web development, and social media management are in high demand. The first step is identifying a skill you already have. You don't need to invent something new. Focus on skills that solve a real problem for clients. Even simple skills like content writing or social media posting are highly valuable to small businesses and startups who don't have time to handle them internally. For example, if you choose social media management, you can help small businesses post content, engage with followers, and run small campaigns. With $500, you can cover a domain, a basic website, and software like Canva or scheduling tools. That's enough to launch your online presence. Mini example, charge $300 per client per month for basic social media services. With just 3 clients, that's $900 monthly. Adding one more client makes it $1,200. Over time, as you improve results and add more clients, revenue grows without significantly increasing your effort. The key is delivering measurable results. Clients pay for outcomes, not just hours. Now, start by offering discounted services to your first clients to gather testimonials. Document your work carefully. Share case studies or before and after examples. Then gradually raise your pricing as your reputation grows. The math is simple. Fewer clients at higher prices can earn more than dozens of low-paying ones. Scaling happens by outsourcing repetitive tasks like graphics, captions, or scheduling to other freelancers. You then focus on client acquisition and strategy, transforming a single freelancer into a small agency. Freelancing online allows global reach, meaning a client in another city pays the same as one next door. By the way, if you like simple business breakdowns with real numbers like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next ones. Now let's move to the second business, digital marketing consulting. Digital marketing is a high-value service. Many small businesses don't understand how to run ads, get leads, or convert customers online. If you know Facebook ads, Google ads, or email marketing, you can start consulting businesses and solving real problems. $500 can cover a website, ad account setup, or basic software tools. You don't need fancy offices or staff. Start with a clear promise. For example, I help local dentists get 15 new patients per month using paid ads. Specificity attracts clients. General promises like "I do marketing" rarely convert. The more specific your promise, the easier it is to convince clients. Clear results and measurable goals make your offer irresistible and build trust quickly. Mini example, charge $500 per month per client. With 2 clients, you earn $1,000 monthly. One more client brings $1,500. Deliver real results, and the client can stay for months or years. You can even create small packages for additional services like email marketing or landing page design, increasing revenue per client. The blueprint is define the problem and offer a measurable solution, deliver results, and document them. Once you have testimonials, you can raise pricing to $800 to $1,000 per client per month. Scaling comes from managing multiple clients with systems or subcontractors. Over time, your knowledge and reputation are your main assets. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. There's no inventory, shipping, or customer service. So all you need is a platform to reach your audience. Social media, a blog, or a YouTube channel. With $500, you can buy a domain, hosting, and create a simple website or landing page. Then pick a niche and products that fit that niche. For example, if you focus on fitness, you can promote workout programs, supplements, or gear. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Mini example. Suppose a program costs $100 and your commission is $30 per sale. If you sell 10 per month, that's $300. Sell 50 and you earn $1,500. Growth comes from creating content that attracts people consistently. Start small, build trust, and gradually scale with ads or SEO. The key is authenticity. Promote products you believe in and provide value to your audience. Affiliate marketing scales because your content keeps generating revenue over time, sometimes even passively. Selling digital products. Digital products are another excellent option. You can sell ebooks, templates, online courses, stock photos, or design assets. $500 covers a domain, hosting, and software to create and host your products. Mini example, you create a $20 ebook or template. Sell 50 copies a month, and that's $1,000. Sell 200 copies, and that's $4,000. The math is simple. Low-cost digital products have high margins because production cost is almost zero after creation. Start by identifying what people need in your niche. Offer value and solve problems. Market through social media, on email, or small ad campaigns. Collect testimonials and reviews to improve credibility. Once a product works, you can create multiple related products to increase revenue streams. Scaling happens naturally. Unlike services, digital products can sell repeatedly without additional work. You just maintain marketing and update content occasionally. Print on demand and merchandise print on demand is a low-risk product model. You design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or other merchandise, and the platform prints and ships products so you never hold inventory. With $500, you can pay for design software, a domain, and some advertising to promote your products. Mini example, you sell a t-shirt for $25 and the platform takes $15 for production. Your profit is $10 per shirt. Sell 100 shirts a month. That's $1,000 profit. Sell 500 and that's $5,000. The blueprint is simple. Pick a niche, create designs that appeal to that audience, and consistently promote your products. Use social media posts, short videos, or small ad campaigns to reach customers. Start with a few designs, test which sell best, and gradually expand your catalog. Scaling comes from increasing volume and optimizing marketing, not by holding inventory or taking big risks. Coaching or online consulting. If you have expertise in fitness, business, language, or any skill, you can start online coaching. $500 covers marketing, a simple website, and scheduling tools. Mini example, charge $50 per coaching session. With 10 sessions a week, that's $500 weekly or $2,000 per month. Add group coaching or workshops for higher revenue. The blueprint, identify your specialty, define who your ideal client is, and create a structured offer. Market through social media, webinars, or email. Deliver value consistently, gather testimonials, and increase pricing over time. Scaling occurs when you offer group sessions, online courses, or hire other coaches under your brand. Your income multiplies without doubling your hours. If you have expertise in fitness, business, language, or any skill, online coaching can be started with $500 for marketing, a simple website, and scheduling tools. Charge $50 per session. 10 sessions per week also equals $2,000 per month. You can scale with group sessions, workshops, or hiring other coaches. Subscription and membership sites. You can also create online communities or subscription services. Charge monthly fees for exclusive content, courses, or coaching groups. $500 covers website setup and basic tools. Mini example. Charge $20 per month per member. With 50 members, that's $1,000 monthly. Grow to 200 members, and that's $4,000. The key is offering consistent, valuable content that members can't easily get elsewhere. The blueprint. Identify your niche, create a few high-value pieces to start, then add content regularly. Promote via social media, email lists, and collaborations. The scaling comes from adding members without increasing your effort proportionally. Focus on consistent, valuable content, engage members, and promote through social media or collaborations to scale without extra effort. So these are the main online businesses you can start with $500 and no inventory. Freelancing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, digital products, print on demand, online coaching, and subscription sites all allow you to start small, spend little, and grow quickly. Next, we covered startup costs, simple step-by-step blueprints, and real math showing how income grows. Even with one client, one sale, or a few subscribers, the business starts generating cash. By consistently delivering value, scaling smartly, and reinvesting profits, you can turn $500 into a serious income stream. The next step is taking action. Pick the model that fits your skills and interests. Start small, track results, and expand gradually. And if you liked this video, don't miss the next one where we'll dive into 5 local businesses under $3,000 that can make $10,000 per month. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Start small, start smart, and you'll see $500 turning into a scalable online business faster than you imagine.